Hello all, today in this video I'm going to provide a demo video for regression algorithm for catboost regression algorithm. Previously with the same data set we have worked with some other machine learning regression algorithms other than classification algorithm. Why we move to regression? Because we have both the categorical and text data. We found that regression will provide better results when compared to this classification algorithm. Also we moved with regression algorithm. So in the first step we are going to import the library and our data set. So this is our data set. Here the yield variable we will be using as the y variable and all others we will be using for the x variables. So now we are moving with the preprocessor function. For preprocessing we are moving with the label encoder library, and then we after preprocessing we are getting our data into a heat map. So this is the heat map representation of our data set. Now then we are grouping our data by using crop production and area. So by this we are getting how many different crops we have in our data set. So this data set I downloaded from Kaggle, but I don't remember the link. So if I get aware of it, means I will definitely make sure it in the description box. Then this data set is having more than 50 crop varieties. Here you can see it is having more than 50 crop varieties, nearly 54 crop varieties is having. Then we declare the x variable and y variable. Already I said that while declaring the x variable and y variable will choose the yield variable, and other than that everything will be chosen as the x variable. So here it is done, and then we are getting the dummies for the x variable, and then we are splitting this x and y using the train test split function into x train, x test, y train and y test variable by using the test size as 0.2, that is 20% will be taken for testing, and the remaining 80% will be taken for training. So previously already we have worked with linear regression. So we got a training accuracy of 83.94 and the testing accuracy of 85.03. So in this work we will be working with different catboost only, but previously we have worked with some other machine learning algorithm. So we will just make a comparison of which algorithm is providing the better result. So previously we have worked with the decision tree also. It is having an training accuracy of 100 and testing accuracy of 93.82. Then we worked with the random forest. It has an training accuracy of 99.44 and testing accuracy of 95.29. Then we worked with the gradient boost, which has a training accuracy of 99.79 and testing accuracy of 97.01. Then we worked with the XGBoost, which has an training accuracy of 100 and testing accuracy of 96.89. Then we worked with the bagging regression, which has a training accuracy of 99.49 and testing accuracy of 95.54. Then we worked with the k nearest neighbors regression, so which has a training accuracy of 93.16 and the testing accuracy of 86.54. Now when this code we are going to work with catboost regression, every algorithms are same, the functions we are using are same, but only the libraries differ. So in this catboost we make the catboost regression library, calling it and then training that library by using the variables xtrain and xtest and the function fit function for training, and then we are testing by using the predict function and the xtest variable. Then we are declaring the accuracy, mean square error and R2 score, and then we are displaying the training accuracy and the testing accuracy. So in catboost it will run for an learning rate set. It will be running automatically and it will stop at the end at which it seems it is providing some better results. So it has worked for nearly 1000 iterations, and then it got an training accuracy of 99.99 and testing accuracy of 96.41. Then since I said that we are going to make a comparison, we have made every models which we have used in a model, and we are calling everything within the models variable. So in that we have worked with linear regression, decision tree, random forest, gradient forest, XGBoost, bagging regressor, KNN, and catboost. Then we are training the model by using the fit function, testing the model by using the predict function, and also within the loop we are calling the values for accuracy, mean square error, and R2 score. By this we will be getting every training accuracy and testing accuracy of the every machine learning algorithms we have declared so far. So here it will be you will be getting all the variables in a single cell report. Then we are making a table. In the table we are making some highlight things, like the least model will be shown with red color and the highest model will be shown with green color. So within the algorithms which we have made, gradient boost is showing the best result since it is shown in green color, and linear regression is showing the least result since it is showing red color. When come after gradient boost, this XG boost takes the place, and after that cat boost takes the place, after that this bagging regression takes the place, after that random forest takes the place, after that decision tree, after that KNN, and finally linear regression. So this is the model's accuracy based on with this corresponding data set. So in the next demo video we will be making some other demo. Thank you.